Rightio, removing door locks. Not sure what we can see up here, but there's a door lock. So on these clips, on the rods, there's some clips that you need to remove. I'll do what I can to show you those, but there's one 10mm nut there, and there's another 10mm nut we get through this little access hole here. So peel that off. Inside there, I'm not sure if you can see, but inside there's another 10mm. First things first, we've got to remove these, like on the inside of the door handle there, these little clips here. You just they're a bit tricky, but you can just screwdriver. They're a bit hard to do by hand. Should be able to just push that down, then you can move that out and then just pull the rod out. So that's an example of what they're like in there on the back of the door handle. So I'll just sort those out and then I can show you when I'm done. But yep, two bolts, two of these clips, one for the lock and one for the door handle, and then I'll show you on the other side of that. Disconnect the clip on the lock. Another way. That's not going to fit in there. I need the smaller one.
Smaller.
10mm. So I can get through the hole.
Alright.
But I'll just take this 10mm off and then we'll get the other side. Leaving bolts on the ground, are you?
That came out of the trim. That was the one that was stuck.
Oh my goodness. I'm going to need to swap your spots again so I can get the right angle on that nut.
There's no way I can. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, 1 10mm bolt. Now I need the.
Sort of. Yep. Oh my god.
Alright, connect this way. Alright, so the bit that we're having trouble grabbing.
It's still connected.
Yeah, I know it's still connected, which is why it's a pain in the bum to pull out right now. But if you have a look through here, you might be able to see it.
I don't know. You torch light.
There we go. So now I might be able to just that back in, take the rod out from inside. Maybe.
If it decides to cooperate. Thingies.
Trying to get it some leverage. It's tricky. There we go. Door handle's out.
And Out of this one into that one.
And that broke.
Clip.
And was that bit goes in there. So obviously we broke it, pulling it out. That bit goes in there. The rod comes in there, it's just a bent rod, and then that just latches onto the rod to hold it all in place. But that's going to keep coming out now, so we'll need to get a new one of those. Very hard, very brittle.
That's the fuel pump right there.
Yeah, in the 184.
Oh yeah, well, okay.
Alright, so this clip is broken. Alright, so we've had to come up with a little solution that's, you know, full buffhead build style and full backyard garage style. So let me take you over here and I'll show you what I mean. So this is a rod that clips onto, and then that goes through that section there of the handle. So if I just pass the camera to my son, in premise, the idea is that we can put that through there and then put just a little bit of vacuum hose on there, because all it's got to do is hold it in place. So that's not going to fall out, and that should allow it to actuate the way it needs to. So
That's fucking smart. I'm gonna put that in.
you should bolt that in now and test it. Right here. One side done. So here's a good view of this clip. Pain in the bum because it breaks. So just this one just here. You just pull that off. Nice and easy. And then realistically just slide that back out, but this is where it breaks a lot of the times. That's where it gets broken, so I can't do that with one hand, so I'll put it down and I'll show you.
Oh, how easy was that? Fucking
Whoops.
top recording.
Have to refocus again once you move it.
Yep.
nuts in. Test, I suppose. Oh yeah, let me check the door, lock her up, or shut it up. Now these are under the carpet because we haven't pulled them through yet.
Oh yeah.
Now which one is it?
Test. Pull. Yep. You hear the ding when it's...
Yep, good stuff.